Good evening, everyone. This is James Romelli from AlphaShark Trading, here to tell you guys about our earnings trading workshop. Now, this workshop covers in depth our earnings trading plan that we here use every single day at AlphaShark to set up earnings trades that have a low level of risk with a high potential for reward in the options market ahead of a big catalyst event like earnings. Now, this is something that is specifically geared toward earnings, but the concepts in this workshop can be applied to a lot of other types of catalyst events as well. And what we're going to talk about in this workshop is how market makers calculate the measured move targets on a weekly basis. So how does a market maker know how much the stock can move by expiration? What does the market maker tell the rest of the market via their options prices? What about their expectations for movement in the stock, and then how can I, as an options trader, use that expectation to set up an options trade with better targets than if I was using fib levels or wave patterns or any other type of projection method. We're also going to talk about how to avoid buying too much implied volatility or premium before earnings. This is one of the biggest pitfalls that rookie earnings traders find themselves in on a regular basis, is buying that inflated implied vol via outright options. We're going to teach you how to spread positions to avoid paying too much in premium ahead of earnings. We're also going to talk about trading butterflies on earnings, and this is how you can potentially get 600% returns in days using weekly options on earnings with very low risk, very high reward potential trades like butterflies. We'll talk about why weekly options are the best way to trade earnings and why I focus my energy on weekly options trades ahead of earnings. We're going to talk about credit spread trading ahead of earnings as well, so I can set up positions that can help me make money in any type of market condition after earnings. And we're going to talk about which of these strategies work the best for all the different types of situations you might find on earnings. And what it really all boils down to is the HIM-CRIBIT trading plan. And the HIM-CRIBIT trading plan is an acronym for our analysis method that we use on every stock that is reporting earnings. And it stands for historical movement, implied movement, measured move targets, chart, risk, reward, break even time, and target. And we're going to break down what all of these different components mean ahead of an earnings trade and how I can evaluate each one and then land on an actionable trading idea and setup, right? Earlier this week, we went over plenty of examples of how I used this plan last week to set up a couple of really fantastic earnings trades where I tripled my money in a matter of a couple of days. And in one situation, I nearly quadrupled my money overnight using this trading plan to set up a trade on earnings. And to take advantage of this offer that we have right now, go to this link here, alphashark.com/earningsmaster. We're offering this workshop right now for $99. We have a limited number of spots to sell at this price. Regularly, if you go to our website, this would be $499. This is a huge discount. And like always with all of our workshops, we have a money back guarantee. So if you are not satisfied with your purchase, you can let us know. We don't want your $99 and you can get that back, no questions asked. So please, I highly encourage you to check it out. It's a fantastic workshop. If you've been following along with the video series this week, you've seen just how powerful the trading plan can be and just what the returns can look like if I use this trading plan to evaluate and analyze setups ahead of earnings using the options market. So please take advantage of the workshop. I know you guys are going to love it. It's one of our top-selling workshops here at King on the Market. It's one of the most, at AlphaShark Trading, it's one of the most requested workshops. So I think you guys are really going to like it, and I really strongly encourage all of you to take advantage of the offer. Thank you all very much, and have a fantastic rest of the evening. And as always, happy trading.